Yeah. Hello. Welcome to Kinderbook number 2. Are you ready? Let's start. A forest. A forest. A river. A river. A mountain. A mountain. The sea. The sea. The sky. The sky. Okay, so I'm jumping. I'm jumping. I'm jumping. I'm walking. I'm walking. I'm walking. Shoo, shoo. I'm ice skating. I'm ice skating. I'm swimming. I'm swimming. I'm swimming. I'm flying. I'm eating. I'm eating. It's quiz time! Okay, so first of all, whose mouth? Number 1. Whose mouth? Is this your mouth? If you think it's my mouth, write number 1 on your homework sheet. Okay? My mouth. Number 2. Is this your mouth? If you think this is my mouth, write number 2 on your homework sheet. Is it my mouth, do you think? Okay. Number 3. Is this your mouth? If you think it's my mouth, write number 3 on your homework book. Okay? My mouth? What do you think? Alright, number 4. Whose mouth? Whose mouth is this? Is this my mouth? If you think it is, write number 4 on your homework book, okay? Number 5. Whose mouth? If you think this is my mouth, write number 5 on your homework book. Is this my mouth? Okay, and number 6. Whose mouth? If you think this is my mouth, write number 6 on your homework book, okay? Whose mouth do you think it is? My mouth? Alright, so the next one is whose eyes? Number 1. Whose eyes? Are these your eyes? If you think they're my eyes, write number 1 on your homework sheet. My eyes? What do you think? Number 2. These my eyes? Whose eyes are these? If you think they're my eyes, write number 2 on your homework sheet. Okay? My eyes. Okay, number 3. Do you think these are your eyes? If you think these are my eyes, write number 3 on your homework sheet. Are these your eyes? If they are, write number 3. Number 4. Whose eyes are these? Whose eyes? Do you think they're your eyes? If you think they're my eyes, write number 4 on your homework sheet. Number 5. My eyes? Do you think they're my eyes? If you think they're your eyes, write number 5 on your homework sheet. And number 6. Are these your eyes? If you think they're my eyes, write number 6 on your homework sheet. Okay? Number 6. Okay, and then whose nose? Whose nose? Number 1. If you think this is your nose, write number 1, okay? On your homework. My nose? Is this my nose? If it is, write number 1 on your homework sheet. Number 2. My nose? My nose? If you think this is your nose, write number 2 on your homework sheet, okay? Number 2. Next one, number 3. Is this your nose? My nose? If you think it's my nose, write number 3 on your homework sheet, okay? If this is my nose. What do you think? Number 4. My nose? My nose? Is this your nose? If you think it's my nose, write number 4 on your homework sheet. Number 5. Is this your nose? If you think it's my nose, write number 5 on your homework sheet, okay? My nose? And number 6. If you think this is your nose, write number 6 on your homework sheet, okay? My nose? My nose? We'll see you next time, okay? Alright. Okay, sorry, before we finish, I thought we'd play rock, paper, scissors, 1, 2, 3, okay? This time, if I win, Massa, if Massa wins, okay, Massa wins, you have to say, oh, I lost, okay? Oh, I lost, okay? But, if Massa loses, I say, I lost, okay? You have to say, I win, okay? I win. Okay, and then if it's rock and rock, okay, we have to say, it's a draw, okay? It's a draw, okay? Alright, so we're going to play rock, paper, scissors, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3! Alright, very good. See you!